guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're welcome. My name is Jenny. So I'm going to be showing you guys this full face glam makeup. I haven't done something like this in such a long time, even like in real life, even not on YouTube. Like, I haven't done something like this in such a long time. Okay, so if you want to know how I achieve this look, keep watching, watch to the very end. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. But yeah, click that subscribe button if you want to subscribe. I hope you subscribe really and turn on the notification bell so you notified every single time I post a new video. So I post every single week. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that jazz. Let's connect, let's be friends. The handle is Jen Ferry. So yeah, let's get right into the. So I'm just starting off by applying lip balm to my lips, and I'm priming my eyes with concealer. I'm just setting it with setting powder. Now for my eyes, I am using a really light orange shade of eyeshadow just above my crease as my transition color, and I'm just blending that in. I'm going with a deeper shade, and I'm just taking it down towards my crease, and I'm just blending it out too. Then I'm going with a really dark purple. It's not so dark, but it's darker than the other colors I used, and I'm just taking that into my crease. And now I'm applying concealer on my eyelid, and I'm going to take it out to make a cut crease. Yeah. I'm going to use a matte eyeshadow to just set the concealer, really light color. And I'm going in with my classic concealing foundation. I'm using the foundation brush to blend it in. Now for highlight, I'm using the Elegant Pro concealer, and I'm highlighting under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and I'm just blending it out with the damp beauty blender. I'm just going to be setting everywhere I use the concealer on. So the powder was too much on one side, so I'm just taking it all over because it was too much on one side. And I'm using my Absolute New York bronzer for contour. And I'm using the contour brush, and I'm also contouring my nose. And I'm setting everywhere else on my face. My Milani mineral powder. And I'm dusting all the excess powder from my face, and I'm going in with my Sleek Makeup blush. And for highlight, I'm using the Revolution highlighter. And for my lips, I'm using this Davis lip pencil, and I'm using it all over my lips. This lip pencil is so amazing, guys. So amazing. I'm just setting with my classic makeup setting spray. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I hope you subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.